subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Keep it to your premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, AmaZulu 2. I'm joined by Josie 14.
Tonight, yes, I'm with my white guys.
Where are you from? This man is unbelievable, guys. He's unbelievable.
If I can add something, yes. I love this match, but it's not allowed that that auto goal and that this mistake of the goalkeeper. But we won this match, and it is important for us to win this match.
Yes, my leader. What is it?
It is important to win this match.
Talk, my brother.
We won, and this is important.
Talk, my brother.
Go Mamelodi!
I told you, I'm international.
Yes!
Yeah, I told you one day I'll surprise you.
Yes!
These guys, you know the song of Mr. Motepe?
Yes!
They know the song.
You know that song?
Yeah. He said, see. Come on. He said, when you go international. When you go international, you don't have to ask to go international. When you go out, you'll meet people like this. Guys, you'll meet people like this. You know, we are singing this song in English. So now because they saw you, it changed to your language, Steve. We didn't know. These guys are from Italy. Where I drink my Peroni.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Birra superiore. Stivo. Birra superiore. Italiani.
Superiori.
Who was your man of the match?
Number 18.
Number 33. Number 18.
First goal was out of the league. It breaks the man.
Gracias,
Amazing match. With the first second half started with little there was the auto goal, but then
it's not like Juventus.
Not Juventus, but
Your team is weak.
but after that, Super League. No way, unbelievable.
Motsepe. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.